So a couple items to focus on in maintaining the air quality over your home are actually real simple. First of all, we're right here in the kitchen, so let's consider the kitchen exhaust fan, and it has a filter. You want to make sure you're changing out that filter basically every 3 to 6 months. So that would be a great idea to focus on right there because of all the cooking odors. So another item to consider to make sure you have good air quality in your home is making sure you're considering using a programmable thermostat, and like the one here, or newer ones as well. So another item to consider is also changing your air filters at least every 45 to 60 days, and that improves the air quality of the home. So another item to consider when you're focusing on air quality in your home is actually how much fresh air is actually circulating into the home. One way to do that is simply, even during the winter months, just crack a window about 1 inch open and let that go for about 30 minutes, and that will actually freshen the air in your home and remove any other types of poor quality air. Making sure your home is airtight also improves the air quality in your home. So as we look around, check your windows to make sure they're closed and actually latched. So the other thing you want to look at is also around your exterior doors to make sure there's no daylight. So in this particular case, we actually have daylight visible at the bottom of this door, and there's a pad that is called a corner pad that you can put at the bottom of the door to minimize that daylight and stop the airflow coming into the home.